Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to set custom charging animation in iPhone and iPad. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. Now what we have to do, launch App Store and search for charging animation. Here you have a lot of application, but in my point of view, what I have charging play. After download this app, we have to launch shortcut and tap on animation. I already set, so I'm going to delete one. Now tap create personal automotion. Now scroll and tap charger. Here we have to make sure that is connected is select. Tap next and next again. Now turn off ask before running. Don't ask. Done. Tap on it and there is no action is set. Now tap on no actions. Tap add action. Here we have to search for open app. Now tap on app and select charging play. Now go back, tap done. Now launch this application that you selected. If you have any other one, you can select as well. Now go back to home screen and I'm going to put charger, and we will see the charging animation will be changed. Here we go. Now we have changed the charging animation in iPhone and iPad. Now I'm going to remove. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.